In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an AI chatbot to Wix website. This is a great way to help visitors get quick answers, improve customer support, and guide people to the right information without waiting for a human. I will walk you through the process step by step using the Wix tools you already have in your dashboard. First, log into your Wix dashboard. Open your web browser, go to the Wix site, and sign in to the account that owns the website you want to update. Once you are logged in, you should see your main dashboard area with options for managing sites and settings. Take a moment to make sure you are viewing the correct account because the next steps depend on the site you manage through this dashboard. Next, navigate to the Wix App Market. From the dashboard, look for a section that points you to apps, integrations, or the Wix App Market. The App Market is where you can browse and install third-party and Wix-supported tools for your website. This is the place you will use to find the AI chatbot app that best fits your needs. Now search for AI Chatbot and choose an app. In the search bar within the App Market, type AI Chatbot. As results appear, you will see different options. Spend a few seconds comparing the listings so you understand what each app offers. Look at the app name, the general description, and any visible ratings or features. When you find an option you want to use, select it so you can open its details page. After that, click Add to Site. When you click Add to Site, Wix will prompt you to connect the app to your website. Depending on your Wix setup, you may be asked to choose which site you want to apply it to, especially if you manage more than one site. Confirm the selection and wait for the app to finish installing. This may take a short moment, so it is normal if the screen updates gradually. Once the app is installed, go into the app settings. This is where you can customize how the chatbot behaves on your website. From within your Wix dashboard or from your website editor area, find the newly added chatbot app element or integration, then open its settings panel. If you are not sure where it is located, look for the app name in the site editor or check the list of installed apps tied to your website. Within the app settings, you will want to check the availability mode. This setting controls when the chatbot is available for visitors and what conditions trigger it. When you open the availability mode area, pay attention to what options are shown, such as whether it is available site-wide or under certain pages, and whether it is currently active or paused. If you see an option that indicates the chatbot can be turned on or off, you should set it to match your goal for launching the chatbot. If the chatbot is set to be inactive or limited, your site may not show the chatbot where you expect it. If it is set to active, it should appear according to the availability mode you selected. Take this moment to confirm that the chatbot will be accessible on the pages you want it to support. Finally, after you confirm the availability mode and any related settings you can see, make sure your changes are saved. Wix may automatically save, or it may prompt you to confirm changes. If you see a Save or Apply button, click it so the updated configuration is locked in. That is the full process. Log into your Wix dashboard, open the Wix App Market, search for an AI chatbot, add the app to your site, and then review the app settings with a focus on the availability mode. That covers everything you need to know.